What if your threads could earn you real rewards, not just likes? Creators are already earning from threads quietly. Scribble turns simple writing into on-chain rewards, no trading, no charts, just your ideas and consistency. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to write threads to earn on Scribble. But before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address will be in the description below. Now let's dive in. What is Scribble? Scribble is a decentralized autonomous organization and creator platform designed to empower Web3 writers, researchers, and storytellers. It focuses on educational content, particularly Twitter threads about crypto projects, but also supports videos, clips, and other formats. The goal is to make Web3 education accessible and rewarding, turning creators into scribblers who shape narratives for blockchain projects. The platform has over 50,000 creators, 80 brand campaigns, and has paid out more than $500,000 in rewards. Now, how can you get started on Scribble? Open your browser, head to scribble.network. Now tap on the login icon at the top. Then sign in using your X account. Tap on continue with X. Now you need to enter a unique username for your profile. Just enter a username of your choice. Then tap on continue. So we have successfully created an account on Scribble, and here is the landing page. Let's do a quick walkthrough of the interface. At the top we have the search bar. You can use it to search for content. Trending creators are top active creators based on recent engagement quality and points earned from posting and grants. Top holders rank users by how many units they hold. Units are like on-chain holdings or investments in creators or posts. When you create an account, you get 1,500 points. You can see my points here. Right under the points, we have the main feed or post area. This shows individual coin posts in a scrollable feed. You can see buy at the top of every post. Just tap on buy. Buying a post means investing in it using coins. It supports the creator directly. Buyers get a share of future rewards if the post performs well. The earlier you buy into it, the more you earn when the post blows up. You can tap on buy. As you can see, we just bought a post. Now let's go back. When this blows up, you get rewards based on when you bought it and how many units you bought. You can tap on the plus icon at the bottom to import your post from X. After posting on X, just copy the link then paste it here. Now let's go to the next. Here you can search for different content. You can see grants, trending posts, virgin posts which are new posts, blown up posts which are posts that are blown up. Grants are the primary way creators earn real money on Scribble. They are sponsored campaigns funded by Web3 projects who want authentic educational content created about their protocol, feature, or ecosystem. So these are sponsored campaigns. The next is reward. This is a dedicated page for earning real money through simple achievable tasks and milestones. There are 6 tasks available. The first one requires you to log in for 30 days to earn 1 USDT. The second one requires you to reach 50 blown up posts to earn 3 USDT. When a post you created gains massive traction, gets sponsored by a brand, or crosses engagement threshold, it blows up. For the third one, you need to refer 10 active users to get 2 USDT and so on. Now the next one is grants. This is the main hub for discovering and participating in campaigns, where creators earn real money by making educational content, usually on X, about specific Web3 projects. Now, how can you partake in these campaigns to earn rewards? The first step is to select a campaign. The first one is a short form content with 123 creators participating in it. The deadline is fast approaching as you have only 2 days left to partake in this particular campaign. The price pool is 2,000 USDC. Now just tap on it to see more details. Make sure you read about any project you are posting about, so you will know exactly what your post should contain and what you need to post about. Compose your thread, then post it on X. Make sure you tag Scribble and the project you are writing for. After posting on X, just come back here, then tap on submissions. Tap on add submissions, then post the link to your post here. Tap on submit and you are done. Now let's go back. The process is the same for different campaigns. I think there are currently only 3 open campaigns right now. Carefully go through the campaign guidelines so you know exactly what you are posting about and what your post needs to contain. Now, how will you know if you win a Scribble grant? Scribble announces grant winners publicly on X, and each winner gets tagged with their username. So that's how to write threads and earn on Scribble. I hope this video has been really helpful. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educative content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.